The People's Democratic Front (PDF) General Conference on Friday unanimously endorses the proposed merger of the party with the NPP. Talking to reporters, PDF President Gavin Michael Millame informed that the formal signing of the merger document will be held on Saturday at the NPP party office at 4 p.m. He also said that the formal signing by the merger document will be between PDF President and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma. On this occasion, the PDF leaders and members will be formally inducted into the party.
There were requests from different political parties with regard to this merger. But one thing is that we could see that as a party, we have been working together with the NPP for the last 5 years. We had worked closely all these years. And of course, we had placed this agenda on the minutes of the CEC, whereby we have discussed it thoroughly through a series of discussion, that most of the members are politically inclined to the NPP.